Namaskar, myself Rekha Sharma, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department Fashion and Interior from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. खुश रहो बेटियाओं. Today's session name is Pattern Making Tools from Subject Basic Pattern Development. Creating tailoring patterns can't think without pattern drafting tools. We will need the right pattern drafting tools to make perfect clothing or patterns. The designer should know about all pattern drafting tools, uses and functions. In this session, I have discussed all pattern drafting basic tools and supplies with their functions. Drafting tools. What is drafting tools? Drafting equipment is used for making paper patterns. This is the second stage of pattern making. Using the measurements taken, the drafting is carried out according to the design of a garment. The following drafting equipment is used in drafting. First is L scale. It is also called a tri-scale or L scale and is made of wood or steel. L scale has one arm which measures 12 inches and the other is 24 inches. Basically used for drafting on brown paper to draw perpendicular lines. L scale is one of the basic of the pattern drafting rulers. This ruler helps to draw accurate 90-degree angles and straight edges. It measures rules and squares jointly. Second is lag shaper. It is made of wood or plastic, either or 24 inches or 36 inches length are available in this scale. It is used to measure and shape the interior part of the leg. Then Taylor's art curve. Taylor's art curve is used to draw curves in the drafting and is made of plastic or wood or sometimes a thick paper. French curve. French curve is made of transparent plastic. It helps in marking shapes of the neck, depth of sides and garments bottom. Essential tool for perfect shaping armholes, necklines and collars. We will use French curve. Compass. It is mostly used for making a curve or a circle for any umbrella cloth or garment. Drafting table. It is a wooden table of 3 height and 4 feet wide and 6 feet long. The surface of the table should be smooth and firm. Bilton cloth. Bilton cloth is a thick blue or any checkered cloth. It is a woolen cloth used for drafting. It is mainly used for practicing drafts by fashion design students. The surface can be brushed and reused until correct drafting is got. Brush. A brush, you can see here the brush. A brush is used on Milton cloth to rub the mistakes during we do in drafting. This is the brown paper. This paper is used for drafting by placing on the drafting table. While using brown paper, a grain line should be tracked. Pencils, as we all know about the pencil, pencil is used to marking on the brown paper for making patterns. Eraser, good quality eraser which does not leave black lines should be used for pattern making. Red and blue pencils. These pencils are used for marking on fold red lines and green line blue arrow. Remember, marking for on fold red lines and for green lines we will use blue arrow. Tracing wheel. This is the tracing wheel. Pointed and very sharp tracing wheel transfers marking onto a clean sheet of paper. Tool is often used when retracing patterns or when transfer draped muslin onto paper. Now, measuring devices. There are different type of measuring devices. Measuring tools are the most essential thing in making a pattern. The key to success in garment construction lines in taking accurate measurements of the subject or a body, and by using the appropriate tool for pattern making. First is measuring tape. It is indispensable for taking body measurement. It is 152 centimeter or 60-inch long with measurements on both sides. Its one edge and is made of metal having 3-inch length, and the other is made of the same metal having half-inch length. The side with the half-inch length is used for measuring a circular area, while the side with 3-inch length is used for a vertical area. Now CPC measuring tape. This is used for taking measurements for a coat. 3 measurements, that is chest, shoulder and depth of side, can be taken at a time. Apart from these, over shoulder and under shoulder measurements can be recorded with this CPG measuring tape. Leg measuring tape. It is a tape used for measuring the inner part of the leg. It is made of wood in the shape of a crescent, and a measuring tape is fixed at the center of the circle. The circle is enwrapped with the lead to measure the inner portion of the leg by this leg measuring tape. Measuring stand. This stand is used to measure long garments such as long overcoats, frocks, or gowns, as well as a flare of the garment. In this stand, a rod of aluminium is fitted on the stand. The rod has a graduated scale which gives the vertical measurement. And the last one is ruler. It is the best device for taking long straight measurements. It is mostly used for checking grain lines and marking hem. So these are the tools which we have used in drafting. Thank you.